Yeah, I'm Moose, nigga. You know what the fuck it is, man. My shit, what it is, baby. Out the mud, nigga. This shit don't stop. Rest in peace, my fallen soldiers, man. BR 800, nigga.
That 05 zone, BR 800, that's my home. That 05 zone, come through here, you know it's on. That 05 zone, we be flexing, my team strong. That 05 zone,
BR, nigga.
Cross that line, we grab them tones.
Niggas wanna go to war, look, we can get it on. Keep the ratchet on me, small shirt, man, that bitch be shine. The way that we gon' hit your block, they gon' think we throwin' bombs. Run around with big shit, the chopper longer than my arm. Nigga, yeah, for real, I get you murked. All I gotta do is get my little man 50 perks. Niggas got the block banging every day, it's like the first. Cross me, God forgive me, catch you coming out of church. You ain't never fresh, nah, you'll look better in the dirt. Matter of fact, designer, you'll look better on the shirt. If I hear you plotting, oh, I'ma grab my ratchet first. Act like this a water gun, I'ma leave you wet when I squirt. Daddy told me stay away from snakes, dad get you hurt. Mama told me bust his head if that boy a little bigger. Made myself a promise, I went back and down from no nigga. Fuck, I need to talk for in the streets, you gotta show niggas. Came home, new faces, I ain't even know niggas. So when I hit the bar, none of them get no liquor. Better be about business, stat figures, and off niggas. If you ain't, bitch, you can't be in my circle, nigga. Stay away before I really had to hurt you niggas. Hypnotized with that 9, I curse you niggas. Leave a shell in your wave, I surf you niggas. And my nigga freaky voice, I earth you niggas.
BR 800, that's my home. That 05 zone, come through here, you know it's on. That 05 zone, we be flexing, my team strong. That 05 zone, cross that line, we grab them tones.
I'm Moose, I'm that nigga that you try to be, nigga. And I always keep my gun on the side of me, nigga. I ain't worrying about the judge throwing fire at me, nigga. Headshot, had your brains like broccoli, nigga. I ain't got a roadblock, no, stopping me, nigga. I'm so real, I had you on rock with me, nigga. Shootouts and all that, I be popping at niggas. Niggas like Moose that, while I'm foxing you niggas. Play with me in July, I had you killed before August. My adult record, what? Check my juvenile charges. Y'all niggas hate me, cause y'all know I'm the hardest. And when I got the hammer on me, man, I go so retarded. Hold up, you got me fucked up, you must be drunk. You forgot about the chopper that I had with the drum. Look, that shit you niggas did, cash land and done. Niggas like Moose, we next, bitch, we already won.
That 05 zone.